Hello guys, hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome, and for my newly subscribers, you're welcome as well. So please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how to ventilate a full lace net, like this net, how to ventilate it. And in this video I'll be using a lush attachment, the lush attachment, and I've cut it like this is a 1/3 of it when you cut the attachment into 3. So this is the 1/3. So this is what I'll be using to ventilate this cap. And this cap, this ventilating, I actually want to use it for a braid rig. So make sure you subscribe so that you will see that video. So now let's just go straight to the video. Yes, because I'll be cutting it into 3. Yes, I'll be cutting this 1/3 into 3 into 1/3 3. I'll be cutting it in 3, and then after cutting I'll remove, and after removing it, after picking it one after the other, that remove, and after doing that I'll start ventilating straight. So make sure you watch from start to finish, from beginning to the end. Love you guys. Let's go and ventilate. So this is when I place the ventilating it on the canvas head, and the reason why I'm using a black line on under is for me to see the holes clearly, because ventilating without using anything other than this canvas hair, because canvas hair is white and the hair, what's it called, the net is white, it will not be convenient, so I just have to put it under. So this is it, and this cuff side you see is just the air side, just for the air, so that I won't ventilate the air side together with everything. So that's how I start what's it called, I start ventilating. Yes, so I started from the first edge of the band at the back. Yes, you know there is always a band at the back. If you've gotten this type of net before, or you ventilate any type of it, or you use it in any way, you're going to know that there is a net at the back of it. Yes, so that's the net, that's where I'll be starting. So from the first band, I'm starting from the first band to the other band. So that's how I'm doing it. So now I'm just going to start inserting this. I've started inserting already. So this is how I inserted. It was dark when I started. I love night walk because it's very peaceful, nobody's calling you. Yes, so I use the hole to draw the air. And don't forget, I'm using an attachment to ventilate. Yes, I'm using attachment to ventilate in this video. So please make sure you subscribe, like and share, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. So because I actually use this ventilating net, like this air I'm doing, I actually use it for a all back style. So I'll show you the preview and I'll show you the video. Yes, I'll show you the video towards the end of this video. I'll show you the air video towards the end of this particular video, so make sure you watch. Yes, watch it to the end. So this is when I'm done with all the backside. Yeah, so I'm done with all the back side. So I'll just go ahead. Yes, I've covered make sure you cover that band place. So I'll just go ahead and do this middle side also. I'll go ahead and ventilate this middle side also. So make sure you cover that what's it called, the band side, you cover it very well. So this one, I'm just be convenient, relax when you're doing this air, don't force it. Make sure you're in the mood. If you are not in the mood to ventilate, forget, you cannot ventilate anything. Is it that the attachment will be cutting, like something you shall be doing, you will not like yourself. So if I want to ventilate, let me tell you what I always do. I'll make sure I'm convenient, like the chair I'm sitting, I'm convenient, I'm okay, and then I'll start ventilating, and I'm in the mood. Sometimes if I'm not in the mood, I is either I eat chewing gum or listen to music and forget. The mood will start coming. I'll start ventilating. So you know what works for me may work for you, and it may not work. So I'm just trying to tell you how I do it. But assuming it's a customer hair, like person need the hair, the mood will come shining when I know I'm dealing with money. The mood, boy, you're just doing it for sale. It won't really shock you like somebody giving you money. So this is when I'm done with the hair. You can see how beautiful this hair is looking, and this is what I'm using the hair for. You can see. Now I said I'll show you later, and this is it. This is the hair I'm using. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will see this particular video. Yes, so that you see this particular video. Them subscribe, them turn on notification bell, then like, please and please like my video. God bless you. God will continue to bless you, because you people are really a blessing to me. Yes, and you can see this hair side, the way I did it. I didn't ventilate everything. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always take your time to watch my video. Thank you guys for burning your data for me. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.